Hello, what is going on, guys? Pandora, the postcard diva. How we doing? How we doing? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos for everybody else. Welcome back. Welcome back. We're back. If you haven't checked out my projects, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. This website right here on the screen, and the link is in the description. See what I got going on. All right, it's been a minute since I actually been talking about crypto, right? Because I'm not in any of these hypes or platforms typically that's coming out every week. Okay, we've ran that race and that course, and we have two platforms that we've been in. Where we know who the owners are, who the devs are. They're out front. They are real people like you and I. They've been in this business, crypto business, for quite some time. And we happen to land in these platforms, and they've been the stick and stay, the real deal. And that's kind of where I have stayed put. And I haven't had to talk about them really. Well, should have been talking about them, but, well, one of them is private. Okay, so you know, we're really not into talking about that one. But there is one that has been out here for a minute, and it's going very well. And I decided just to come back and do an update. I haven't talked about it in a while. So really just want to talk about both of them. And we are definitely in the crypto space. We know this is where it's at. And I'm grateful for the person that introduced this to me a couple years back. I can't remember when it was, 2-3 years ago. I'm not to look, but it's been a couple of years, and I'm so grateful that I did. It's been some ups and downs, and it's been some great times as well. But thank goodness, and I have learned the basic fundamentals and all the things, and we're still learning about a lot of different coins out here. But we know this is where it's at. So first and foremost, if you have not, get yourself, if you're in the crypto space, get yourself this free virtual Visa debit card. All right, crypto debit card by Spritz. Go to coffeeandcoins.info, link in the description. Get your free virtual crypto card. Love it, love it. Anywhere Visa is accepted, guys, you can use this. Just download it to your smartphone for Apple or Google. It's virtual, and it works just like any other Visa card. All right, would work. Is tap to pay. Perfect. Okay, just link it up and you're good to go. You can buy things online. You can get gas. You can go to the grocery store. All the things. The only thing you can't do is go to the ATM, right? Because you don't have the physical card. But you can do all the other things. So get your Spritz card today. Now let's do just a quick up. This is a quick update. All right, and we probably we will, I think, at least once a week we probably will come back and just do an update on our crypto deal we got going on. I just intro for you guys, if you haven't checked it out, I'm learning and getting into the stocks and ETF space now. Okay, I always like to learn new things, and for 2025 that's what we're looking to explore. Okay, and I dropped a video on that, so go check it out. So make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date on what we got going on. Okay, so today, crypto, right? So what do we have? Let's start here. Now this is the private one, the Privilege Club. It used to be Stable Swap. Okay, shout out to Daddy D and the gang over there. This thing has been rocking since, let's see if I can remember, maybe November of 2023. Yes, somewhere around that time it launched as Stable Swap. They've made a lot of some changes, some adjustments so that they can stay compliant. Okay, this is the real deal. This is not multi-level marketing, and they, you know, all those things. They're not even giving us referrals. It's off the market now anyway. You can't sign up, but we're not getting referral commissions or anything like that, right? But this is awesome. Stablecoin USDT. Shout out to Danny D out there in the Philippines. He's the real deal. And he's kept this thing going. So I want to say it was like November 2023 when they launched it. And I got into it like January of 2024. And here we in January 2025. Okay, so shout out to the Privilege Club and everybody that got started in this thing. I'm so grateful that I did get in it. Okay, because it's been kicking butt ever since. I'm not going to the dashboard again. This is a private one. You can't even get in it. But just want to show you something they got going on here right now for the guys, for everybody that's in it. If you don't know, guys, they've got this 0.53%, because normally it's what, 33%, the standard. But they've got a promo. I didn't even know they had one. I just happened to log in and I saw it here. This is how awesome this platform is. You don't even have to check this thing. This is not one of those that's out here. I've been in those, and they were coming and going. You never know when they were going to be here, when they were going to shut down. We've made some commissions in those, but we were looking for more stable, right? So this is definitely one of those. At any rate, hadn't checked it in a week or two, and I see they've got this promo 0.53%, guys. That is awesome. All right, so if you guys are already out here in it and you happen to come across my video, log in your back office, guys, and jump in on this 0.53%. All right, for 300 days. I mean, I've had some of my stakes expire. Well, a lot of them have expired, and I just put it right back into the platform, right? And you see they've got 3 here, but I've always gone into the long term because I'm here for the long term. But at any rate, I thought that was amazing. So of course I had some rewards in there, and I just threw them back in there. Okay, as you can see. So we just throw that right back in because this thing is rocking and rolling. We've had some expire. We're going to come down here. Look at all these that expired. Look at that. So they actually do what they said they were going to do. Again, shout out to Danny D. When they expire, guys, all it does is those rewards go back into your dashboard. You can either take them out or put them back in. Okay. So as you can see, I had plenty that have expired. Look at those. And as they do, we just throw them right back in there. Okay. And as you can see, we've got some rewards that are hitting the folks that did sign up and join my link before they actually shut this thing down. We're getting a piece of what they're earning per day. We're not getting commissions on people signing up, because you can't sign up at this point anyway, right? If you could, they wouldn't pay you on those referrals. Okay, but everybody that's gotten started, whatever you're earning, they're giving us a piece of that. Okay, so anyway, that is going well. As you can see, these micro rewards have been coming in and coming in. This is daily staking that we've got going on here. And look at the liquidity. Like I said, I haven't looked at this in a week or two, because this is one that just runs on autopilot. I mean, amazing, the liquidity they got going on with not that many. They don't have that many club members, and they've been able to get this in liquidity. Just amazing. Okay. All right, and that's really all I'm going to show on this. I just wanted you guys to know, yes, I'm still in crypto, but this thing is just doing its thing. Okay, and again, I'm glad they made it private. So we just earning our daily rewards. Okay, here are the providers. Okay, look, this is all they got. 4,446 providers with what, 23 million. Wow, in liquidity. Okay, so Privilege Club is definitely one that's doing what they say they were going to do, and we're glad we actually took a chance on it. All right, so there you have that. Now let's move on. All right, Paca. Here's another one that kind of reminded me of Stable Swap when I was introduced to this one, and they've grown quite a bit. They're one of the newer kids on the block. Okay. And Paca is doing very well as well. Wow, look at their deposits. 7 million. Wow, 7,325,000. So they're doing very well. Glad I got started with this one. Kind of started a little slow because wasn't sure how it was gonna go, and I kind of just was letting it ride out. We made a couple withdrawals from here. We only have 4 stakes in here in this platform, and we will be doing more with it, because that's the other thing about these platforms. You can take rewards from the other ones, that crypto, and you can put it in another crypto platform. Okay, love it, love it, love it. So anyway, you can see that it's 0.33% per day with this one. Privilege was 0.35. This one's 0.33. All right, which is what, about 9.5% a month. And as you can see, they've added some new things in here. Like I said, this has been running on autopilot as well. 250 days is the term on this one, whereas the Privilege Club is 300 days. So anyway, 250 days at 0.33%. They often run a lot of promos as well. They just had one, and I just missed it. I think it was 0.50, so I missed that one. But as you can see, the other ones I had were 0.40, so I caught those deals. And looks like, oh, see, these have already, I've withdrawn from it a couple times, and you see we've got this one left. But all we're going to do is, matter of fact, while I got you on here, I'm going to go ahead, because I withdrew from the platform a few times. I'm going to go ahead for the first time and compound this. All right, so this is what we got at 53 cents a day. But before we do that, again, this is BSC USDT. It's on the Binance. Okay, you can get in this one. I'll put the info below if you want to get started. Okay. And again, with this one, we're not earning commissions on it. So, but I'll put some info for the wallet address. You can go ahead and get started with here if you want to, with USDT on the Binance. So anyway, they've added Base. Don't really know a lot about that one, but it's here with USDC. I haven't done anything with it. As you can see, they've got the Sonic pool here, USDC as well. They've got SUI here as well, guys. So this is a pretty cool little platform too. And then they've got an exchange right here. You can swap out your crypto. Is that cool or what? All right. So pretty cool. And I'm gonna go to the vaults in a second too, because I wanna check that out. I'm gonna try to do something with that and see if I can make that work with you guys live. All right. So look, we can claim this, right? To withdraw, it has to be 25 minimum, but to compound, see, it's 20. So why don't we compound that? Why not? Right? Hold on. All right, so let's see what happens. And you click here. Okay, let's see what happens. This is the first time I've compounded with it. I've withdrawn from it, but never compounded. So I saw something move around. See, it's gone. It was here, it's moved. Where did it go? Right here. It went back up here. Okay, so that went in as 22.32. And that's going to be for 249 days at 0.33%. Is that cool or what? You saw that, guys? That is cool. Let me see if I can refresh. Hang on. All right, so I click refresh and see that 160 went to 182.32, right? Because it was 22.32 right here that I could compound. And so I put it back into the platform. Now we're going up to 182.32. And that's 61 cents a day. Okay. So another platform far as crypto is concerned, USDT. And again, they've been solid. They've been doing what they said they were going to do. All right. Now they've got another portion or component to this, right? It's called the vaults. So let's see. I'm just curious to see what I can do here, because now that I see they have XRP, I'm interested in that. That crypto, I see it's been doing some things out here in the crypto space, and I want to see if we can add that in here. So let me see what I can do. Hang on. All right, so I'm going to see if I can do this. I have no idea, but I wanted to try it, and you guys can see if I'm doing it right or not. So anyway, wanted to get into the XRP of it all, right? So I went here to the vault, did that, XRP. Let's see what it's going to do. I don't know. Is this how you do it? Let's see if we can do it, guys. Let's do this. Let's see. Oh, I got to do it this way. hang on a second. Hold up. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm just playing around with this thing to see. This is what we have, right? I think this is what we had available. So I'm just using this crypto that I already have, right? That's all I'm doing. Okay, so 25-day stake, it looks like, right? Okay, so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Send to XRP vault. Let's see. Hold on. Okay, we're back. I had to test this thing out and figure out what was going on. All right, so we're back in here. And I get it. This has to be already in your crypto wallet. Okay, these assets. Now, got it. So they're in the crypto wallet, right? And now I want to take them and put them here in the vault. So this is what we had in the crypto wallet already. So now 1313. So now we can do this, right? Should be. Let's see. Okay. Do I put this whole thing in here? Let's see. Is that how we do it? We're ready to see how to. Okay. Looks like that's it, right? Let's see. I believe that's how. Oh, I could just do this, right? Can I do the max? Look, I'm learning this with you guys. Can I do? Oh, that doesn't work that way. Okay, we're gonna do this. Looks like that works because we're matching. Because I'm looking here to see what's in there. We're gonna go with that because I see it here. And okay. And let's see if this works. All right, hang on. Okay, looks like there's something not going right. I'm probably missing a step here. I'm gonna try it one more time. If not, I'll try it later offline or something. But all right, we're at the vault, right? And we want to go here because we want this XRP here, which we can clearly see it here, right? This is what we want, and then all we're supposed to be able to do, or have to do rather, is just do this, right? This is what's in here. Okay, and you click here, and it's gonna go to the wallet over here. Hang on, I'm gonna pause. All right, I clicked there, but it's not moving it over for some reason. Let me hit refresh. So I'm not sure what's happening there, but that is what is supposed to happen. Actually, you're supposed to be able to go here, and whatever's down here, you're supposed to be able to move it over. Like for example, I have, let's see, it's got to refresh, but it's going to show up right here in a second. Hang on. I just refreshed the screen. Hold on a second. All right, I had to refresh again. So for whatever reason, it's not moving over. We clearly can see it here. So we'll try it another day, but that is what's supposed to happen. You're supposed to be able to see it here. Go here, click invest, and actually type in what you have here. Click the wallet, and it moves over from your crypto wallet. Because I'm looking at it on my phone, it's still there. And it's not moving from here up here. So we'll try it another day. But at any rate, that's the vaults. So we'll check it out another time. But as you can see, we've got this going on over here at the in the BSC pool USDT, and there you have it. And we're just going to keep claiming and compounding over here to get this to grow. All right. So if you're interested in checking out this crypto project, of course, this is not financial advice. All right. So please do your due diligence before parking your crypto in any of these crypto platforms, okay? Because crypto is risky business. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.